So there has been some pretty big news going on that you might have missed amidst this Bitcoin chaos and Elon Musk tweets we have been getting. Be sure to watch this video until the end because this is info you cannot get anywhere else. This is pretty important stuff. Now we're seeing, Bitcoin being down like 5% and Shiba Inu being down 9%, which is not inherently bad as I was talking. But let's get to the main point. We all forgot about Leash. We also have some official announcements from the team about the new Shiba Inu NFTs, which is pretty awesome news, to be honest. What we can see so far is the volume being so high in the last 24 hours. Look at this, 100% increase in volume going to 36 million. People are obviously preparing for Shiba swap right now, and the price has been going up for Leash. Yes, it has been, down from 8K, but this is a very, very good time. That is not financial advice to look into Doge Killer Leash, because right now it has the biggest potential and you will need a leash to actually stake your Shiba. Now that is some exciting news, isn't it? From what we're seeing so far, this is definitely some good news, and growing like that, it will definitely grow back to 8K in the future, especially after Shiba swap gets released. It will probably never go as low as right now, right? It was like 700 at this point, and I think if actually Leash drops as Doge drops, so if Doge drops, Leash also drops, and if Doge goes up, Leash goes up. That's why it's named the Doge Killer, aka the Leash. But we can clearly see the price is much needed, and you need to hold this coin because right now you're gonna be needing it for staking to get the third coin, which is Bone. I've obviously been talking that before, but we have more info from Shib Informer. Starting with this piece, I will be retweeting daily artists within the Shib community for exposure. Use Shiba Swap Showcase and NFT, and it seems like we are getting NFTs from Shiba Inu. At some point, we're getting, their own site, which is going to be really amazing news. And I'm really happy for that, to be honest, for artists. And NFTs are the future. Everyone is going to need NFTs at some point. Introducing the 1000 Shiba Army NFT collection, a homage to the strongest SHIB community on the planet. Now live in the blockchain, ready to lead the journey Shibarium near you. And we can see here, people already making their own SHIB NFTs. This is just freaking amazing. Well, we got Shib and an article at investing.com, like one of the largest platforms, actually saying, 500k followers, and being on this article definitely did boost up the price, which is what I'm going to be looking into later. If we look over here, we have a bit more. Here's my first NFT for sale. This will be a first and only unique 1-1 track, and we can again see Shiba Showcase, people making their own Shiba NFTs, and this is the start of something big. Look at this. This obviously looks so beautiful as you use Shiba and Leash to get Bone. And these NFTs are next level so far from what I'm seeing. We're definitely going to be getting a lot more than that. And that is super, super exciting. There's going to be a lot more, maybe an NFT site in the future, but Maker and Shiba Inu, two cryptocurrencies offering potential upside. So after correction, crypto devotees are sniffing around for bargains. Over 10,000 tokens to choose from. Only the strong are likely to survive, and that's definitely true. A lot of coins will fall down, and seeing this on investing.com, it brings me a lot of actually confidence in Shiba Inu, because what we're seeing so far is Shiba Inu is getting promoted a lot for free. This is free marketing, and these investors have put their research into their coins. A market cap of over 3 billion puts a token in the top 0.39%. Shiba Inu is not Dogecoin, but it's top tier at number 31. Maker is right behind at 33. For vital junkies that thrive on wide price variance, few markets in history have offered the head-spinning moves of the burgeoning cryptocurrency asset class. As of June, Bitcoin remains the leader of the asset, holding 40%, and Ethereum 18%. So there's 60%. There's still, the big brothers, but in the future, we're going to be seeing something different. Investors should only spend capital they're willing to lose. So obviously, Ethereum, look at this. It used to be 4K. It's a big difference right now. What I'm seeing so far, the search for Bitcoin Bitcoin and Ethereum alike means that the risk is equal to the entire investment. For traders, liquidity is critical as it allows for reasonable bid-offer spreads for the execution of buy and sell orders. I'm guessing if one of the coins blow up, basically you become rich with only one of the coins. That's why I know people may be putting only $10 in 100 coins, and one blows up, you get a lot back. That's really awesome news. After a correction, crypto devotees are sniffing around for bargains. So Elon Musk's decision to do about face on accepting Bitcoin for Tesla, EVE's because of the carbon footprint. We can see, China's ban on cryptocurrency as it prepares to release its digital yuan was the factor that caused Bitcoin to halve in value and push the asset class market cap lower. And this is what caused, the big drop. But if we scroll down here, there's over 10,000 tokens to choose from. So that's a lot of tokens so far. That's so many tokens you might not be aware of. Obviously, a lot of them also scam coins, so be sure to watch out. 2 market caps over 63 billion, 9 were worth 20 billion, and 15 had market cap of over 10 billion. 85 tokens were worth more than 1 billion, which is less than 0.83 of the number of tokens circulating in cyberspace, and only the strong are likely to survive. And that's definitely true with the market correction happening so far. We're not going to be seeing a lot of coins alive next year, so definitely pack your bags for the smaller coins. And this is not financial advice. From what I'm seeing so far, the smaller coins are inbound for some big drops. After 0.40% of the cryptocurrencies have market caps of over 3 billion level, Shiba Inu and Maker have the critical mass necessary to attract trading and liquid investment activity. Shiba Inu is not Dogecoin, but it's top tier at number 31. Snoop Dogg, Mark Cuban, and other celebrities have actually, supported Dogecoin, I think. Meanwhile, the crypto that began as a joke is currently the 6th leading token, 55 billion. Now that is a lot of money. Shiba Inu is a decentralized crypto created in August 2020 by an anonymous person, Yoshi, who is also holding 0 tokens, by the way, which is not mentioned here, and brands itself as the Dogecoin killer. I don't think it brands that itself as Dogecoin killer anymore. I think it brands itself as a decentralized ecosystem, which anyone can use this coin by the community for the community. Now, the website says Shib is a decentralized meme token that grew into a vibrant ecosystem, Shiba Swap, fun tokens, artist incubator, growing 440k community, and more on the horizon. While Doge began as a joke, Shib is the derivative of the joke, and it's becoming a real thing. It's not a meme coin anymore. Meanwhile, on June 2nd, Shib was the 30th leading token with an over 3.74 billion market cap. So this is really, really awesome news. And, it's definitely being strong so far, being on investing.com. And we can see, these tokens to collect lots of tokens, $1 buys over 150,000 SHIB token. We'll have 5 SHIB tokens. Anyway, what I was saying is it's pretty important to note here, SHIB and MKR are 2 candidates for trading as they have the critical mass and market caps that create liquidity. When it comes to investing in either of those tokens, the advice is the same as with any of 420,000. But we could clearly see there's some good indication that these 2 tokens have strong potential. So not only me saying this, not only a lot of other YouTubers saying this, not only the community saying this, but also investor.com, one of the biggest platforms for actually telling you news and having, hired analysts researching about crypto and coins. What do you think about Shiba Inu? I definitely think it will rise in the future, and this just further boosted my confidence, with NFTs coming in from what I'm seeing. Maybe we'll get a site in the future. Maybe it's even worked on before Shiba Swap is even released. We don't know. A lot of things could be happening behind the scenes we're not even aware of yet, and there's so much more potential for this coin. Until next time, peace.